Have you ever been stuck in the middle of a disagreement between your post-processor people and your machine tool people? We've been there. All that finger pointing is horribly inefficient. You don't care whether it's the machine or the software. You just want your toolpath simulation on the computer to look like what's actually going to happen on the machine. One of the things that sets DSI apart as a digital manufacturing solutions provider is our commitment to building healthy relationships with CNC machine tool builders like Datron. This helps us cut through the troubleshooting process and deliver more effective support, better training, and more accurate post-processors that fully utilize all the cool machine options you've paid for.
Datron machines and Autodesk Fusion 360 have significantly streamlined our operations. We've tried other alternatives in the past, but finding DSI was a real game changer. Now, instead of wasting time on YouTube rabbit holes or internet forums, we have people we can talk to who have been down a lot of those wrong paths already. DSI saves us time so that we can safely innovate and help our customers push the boundaries of what is possible. At Method Manufacturing, we don't just quote jobs and see what people are willing to pay for. My goal starting out was to put parts in space. Our philosophy is client-centric to the core. We learn about their goals and their pain points and look for ways to anticipate their future needs using everything at our disposal to exceed expectations. We've achieved my original goal. We have parts in space, but we're just getting started.
We know how invaluable training and support are to our customers, which is why our team at Datron is excited to be partnered with DSI. Even the best machines in the world are only as good as the parts they produce, and your time is money. Datron trusts in the services provided by DSI as they elevate our customers on their entire CNC machining journey. We believe that anything can be achieved with the right support.
When you're programming, you need the confidence to know what you see simulated on your computer is exactly what you'll get in real life. Our direct relationship with machine tool builders gives DSI customers a fast track to identifying and correcting any issues with the simulation models or predicted behavior. When you're ready to generate code, you need it to work straight away with zero hand edits, and you want to benefit from every dollar you've invested into your machine tools. This is where our team of subject matter experts are able to reach out directly to companies like Datron to make sure we have the latest documentation and a complete understanding of the different machine parameters and options available. And our goal at DSI is to help our customers get the best outcomes as quickly as possible with zero added stress. Reach out today and get set up for success with DSI.